So lately I had to do a lot of caulking, and I got this Vevor electric caulking gun, 2 amp hour batteries, 20 volt, and of course it's rechargeable. It's a very simple battery, and there's a adapter that you can plug in to charge it. And press this trigger here to release the caulking cartridge. You press here and you pull back, and then this will be the trigger for the plunger to go in the tube to squeeze out the caulk. And this is the speed control here. So it goes from 4 to 1 or 1 to 4. So right now it's on 4, so the plunger goes in relatively quickly. But don't go too fast. Try not to use this speed because it squeezes out the caulk too quickly. So I set it on 1 and it does a relatively good job. If you put it on 4, it'll squeeze out too much and then you lose control. Oh! See? Even on 1, it squeezes out this much. So once you release the trigger, this plunger pulls back a little. So not too much of the caulk will come out after that. And then to release the whole thing, you just press this, pull back the plunger, and then you can release the tube. This switch here allows you to switch this cartridge holder here sideways. I'm not sure how much use that is. Yeah, that's it. It works pretty well, about $48. I think it's worth it if you do a lot of caulking. So I tried out this new caulking gun on my side door. Between the wood, the treated wood, and the cement steps there's a little gap, and the caulking gun really works. Squeeze out a nice speed at a consistent speed. So the Vevor brand is from China, I believe. And supposedly what they offer is half the price of the equipment at a good quality. So it appears to work pretty well, so I'm happy with it.